How to record a self-introduction video that gets recruiter interested even with no job experience. The biggest lie I actually believe about self-introduction video was recruiters wanted to know more about me. So welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deborah Dosmo. I'm a 5 years plus remote worker and also a co-founder in Remote Life Academy. The recruiter don't want to know about me, and if nobody has told you this before, listen carefully. A self-introduction video is not an introduction. It is a sales pitch. And most job seekers, especially in Africa, are selling the wrong things. You are not supposed to know this, but many recruiters have already formed an opinion about you before your video reaches the 1 minute mark. So think about this. You spend hours searching for a remote job or even searching for a job. You tailor your CV, you write a cover letter, you actually pray for an opportunity. Then you record a self-introduction video that quietly destroys your chances, not because you are unqualified, not because you don't speak perfect English, not because you lack experience, but because you don't understand what recruiters are actually evaluating. I was actually speaking to a recruiter friend recently, and she said something every job seeker needs to hear this. She said, most applicants waste the first 30 seconds talking about things that don't help them make hiring decision. That statement actually hits me harder because that is exactly what most people do. They do stuff like, my name is, I am from, I attended, I enjoy. Meanwhile, recruiters are actually asking these questions in their head. Can this person communicate? Can this person solve problems? Can this person represent our company professionally? So I need you to give me the next few minutes and I'm going to show you exactly on how to create a self-introduction video that positions you as a strong candidate, even if you have never worked remotely before. And stay until the end because I'm going to give you a script that you can copy and customize immediately. I get up early every day, studying the hiring trend, reviewing application, and helping job seekers like you position themselves for global opportunities. And one pattern keeps showing up. Talented people are being overlooked because they don't know how to present themselves. Here's the harsh truth. The world doesn't always reward the most qualified candidates. The world rewards the candidates who communicate their value clearly. Read that again. Communication creates opportunity. And your self-introduction video is often the first proof of your communication skills. And that is why companies are asking for it nowadays. Not to hear your life story, but to see how you think, how you speak, and how you present yourself, and how you also represent a brand. So let me tell you a mistake I see every week. Someone records a video and says, hello, my name is Sarah. I am 24 years old. I am from Ghana. I attended, and immediately they have lost the recruiter. Why? Because you are talking about information instead of value. Recruiters are not hiring information. They are hiring outcomes. The moment you understand that, everything changes. Every statement in your video should answer this one question: why should we consider you? Not who you are, but why should we consider you? That shift alone can transform your self-introduction video. So let's talk about it. What recruiters are secretly looking for in your self-introduction video. When a recruiter actually watch your video, they are scoring you on the things you may have never listed in the job description. So they are evaluating, can this person communicate clearly? Can they explain ideas confidently? Do they sound professional? Can they follow instructions? Will I trust this person with my customers? Will I trust this person with our brand? Notice what is missing. Years of experience. Many beginners disqualify themselves before recruiters ever do. Don't make that mistake. Companies hire potential every damn day. Your job is to demonstrate potential, not to be telling them your life story. So this is the 4-part formula that's been working for Hive Nation and is going to work for you. Part 1 is who you are professionally. Keep it under 15 seconds. Example will be, hello, my name is Deborah. I'm an aspiring customer support specialist with a strong interest in helping customer and solving problem. Simple, professional, and relevant. Part 2 will be highlight relevant skills. Example will be, I've developed strong communication, problem solving, and organization skills through training, volunteer projects, and practical learning experiences. Notice something. You don't need years of experience to say this. And the part 3 will be show proof. What do you bring to the table? This is where most applicants fail. Don't just claim skills, support it. Example will be, I recently complete customer support training where I learned ticket management, email communication, customer issue resolution, and CRM tools like Hotspot, Zendesk, Trello. Specific example build credibility. Part 4 will be explain why you want the role. Example can be, I'm excited about this opportunity because I enjoy helping people, learning new system, and contributing to a team-focused environment where I can grow. Now you are connecting your motivation to the company's need. So how you can look professional using your phone. This is where you need to sit down and get this done. Everyone says you need expensive equipment. They don't. You don't need it. I've seen candidates record excellent phones using smartphone, and here is what matters. Face natural. Don't use filter. Keep your background clean. Dress professionally. We don't want to be seeing your breast outside. Look directly into the camera. Smile naturally. Speak clearly. Most importantly, don't try to sound perfect. They are not looking for content creator. Try to sound genuine. Professional beats perfect every damn time. So here's a beginner template you can work with. Hello, my name is Deborah. I'm excited to apply for this opportunity because I enjoy learning, helping people, and bringing up contribution to meaningful work. Over the past few months, I have focused on developing my communication, problem solving, and organization skill through training in Remote Type Academy. I'm particularly interested in this role because it's aligned with my strengths and long-time career goal. I am eager to contribute and learn from your team and make positive impact. Thank you for your time and consideration. I look forward to this opportunity to speak further on this. Before you leave, remember this. A recruiter is not looking for perfection. They are looking for confidence. They are looking for clarity, potential, and most importantly, professionalism. The next opportunity you apply for may ask for self-introduction video. When that happens, don't talk about your life story. Communicate your value, because opportunities don't always go to the most qualified people. They often go to the people who present themselves effectively. If this video helped you, click the subscribe button because I share practical strategy on remote job, CV optimization, LinkedIn growth, interview preparation, and global career opportunities. And in the comment, tell me, have you been able to submit a self-introduction video for a job application before? Let's talk about it in the comment section. Hive Nation, we cannot be eating.